Yo, what's up everybody, it's Shaq and we back at the rebuild with the YZ250. Today I'm going to be redoing the oil seals and the dust seals on the front forks. So tune in and check me out. So as you can see, I already pretty much took these off in the last video. In the top. So now I'm just going, and I also took these, I believe these are the dust seals. I took those off already, and I don't know how to get to these oil seals. I don't know if you can see them. No. Okay, so I found out this was like a lock piece that was sitting right here, which was enabling me to pull it apart, but be careful, I kind of bent it. It's not that bad not to bend it, and then I believe take a screwdriver to this split piece right here and you split that apart. That's a safety that won't allow these to come off. So you need to take this part off, then this part, then this part, then this part, then this part. I will do that to this one and to this one, and we'll be back. Okay, so I did the first fork. I'm gonna do the second fork showing you. I did the first one so I know what I'm doing. That'll look stupid. It was pretty easy, so, and straightforward, so pay attention. So first, you have this one, which you split right here, and then take off, and then this one, and this one, and this one, and finally that one. Let's start splitting it. Here's one of these. That'd be cool. Hold it. It's pretty oily. Kind of hard to catch. So I noticed you got to do it on both. Well, you probably don't, but I had to do it on both sides to get to slide where I want it to. Or maybe not. Oh, I didn't. Cool. Alright. So you don't need to. You can do it with just that one piece. So you take off that first piece and make sure they're sitting in the right order. So sit that one right there. Take this off like that. Right there. Take that one off. And you want that lip up there facing this way. So we'll sit that downwards. Or we're replacing those, so. And then finally that. And I believe this is what was leaking oil from my second one. It was just my left one, but I decided to replace both. Why not? Okay. So first we're gonna start off with this one, the brand new one. And we're gonna stick that springy side this way. Be careful not to damage it while you're putting these on because it's easy to do it. Come on. Oopsie. Be careful. These things will mess up. Okay. But the cool thing I noticed from All Balls Bearings, they that's where I got, or All Balls Racing, that's where I got these dust seals, and they came with a pack of 2, so I guess if you mess up on one, you got one to back you up. Let me slide that back on there. The next part is not this piece. It's this one, which is the oil seal. Brand new oil seal. Also, don't damage this. You want the lip again going this way. Pretty straightforward. You want this. Here. This. Go in here. And then finally this. Yeah. Okay, boom. Alright, there you go. Got your new dust seal, oil seal, both sides. Should be looking good. Okay, so I just finished putting together one of the forks. I'll show you right now. All I did was pour about one thing of Yamalube in and put the spring, then attach the top with the washer, and it felt pretty good. So here's a look at it. Yeah, dust seal. So now I'm going to do the other one and kind of show you guys. I wanted to do the first one to get an idea. The second one, I'll show you how I did it. So here we go. Oh, I could have been doing it like this the whole time. Okay. So we got this. And the Yamalube, which is right here. This is what I'm using. You can see, you get close on it. That shit sucks. Anyways, this is Yamalube. Get ready to camera's acting stupid. There you go. So you bought one thing of these. Oh, what's up with my camera going out of focus like that? Okay. It fills up at first pretty quick. But then you have to like freak it up and down. Like this. You can see it pouring. A little bit more. It's almost there. For sure. I want it about 3 inches from the top. About right there. I'm going to continue to do this to get the bubbles out. Now it gets way tougher as those bubbles begin to leave. And I always check to make sure the seal's holding. Seems like it's doing good. Next, this is the hard part. It took me a minute to do this. You take this part out and then you have to slide the spring over it while keeping it up, because you then have to attach this to it. It's a pain in the ass, I'll tell you that much. But oh, and another thing is I'm a WD-40 my spring because it has all types of dust and stuff on it, so I'll be right back. Okay, WD-40 that. We had a lot of pollen here in the spring, and it blew all in my garage while I had my springs out, so I had a lot of dust all over it. But we took care of that. So like I was telling you guys, this is the irritating part. You pull this out. Then you stick this down in there. Kind of have to hold it out of sight to make it easier. And you lose a little bit of the oil, so I think I bought 3 bottles. You're definitely going to need another one. What you need next is this washer. Goes over here like so. And then use this to hold this. And so, that was way easier than the first time. I'm gonna tell you guys that right now. Last time it was way more harder. Like, I think this was extremely more easier. You take this one. Alright, be tight. Then pull it down, let go. Then you slide that up, twist it down. This bad boy again. Just tighten it. Don't tighten it too much. When I took these off, they weren't too tight, so I don't know. Tight. And then another thing I noticed was these screws at the top. I think I might have took one out. I don't want to strip it, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Give it a little. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looking good. Check out the oil seal. Looks good, or dust seal. Yeah. We're good.